Today at Polito Ford Lincoln, we are showcasing a new product that is available through our Ford GT program. This is the Heffner exhaust system designed specifically for the new Ford GT. This exhaust system comes standard on the limited production Mark II Ford GT track car. It is manufactured with high quality titanium, fully welded, and it weighs in at less than 6 pounds. Perhaps you aren't the kind of person that's interested in the flow characteristics or the weight savings, but then there's this.